Hello and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC 2019 physics past question and we'll be solving question 28. The diagram above illustrates a meter bridge circuit under balanced. Determine the value of X. Now from the diagram we're given two resistance. Let's call the first resistance R1. Say R1 equals 2 ohms and the second resistance R2 equals 2 ohms. Now we're given one length X. Now X is unknown, we don't know what the value of X is. Now X is our L1, the first length. Now in a meter bridge experiment, the total distance, that's distance from here to here, which is the length of the wire, is equals to, the total length is equal to 100 units. In this case we'll call it 100 centimeters. Now it means the length from here to this place, this particular length, is 100 minus X. So we call our L2 100 minus X. Normally we have that the resistance of a wire is directly proportional to its length. R is directly proportional to L. So from there we can say R1 over R2 equals L1 over L2. Our R1 here would be 2. Our R2 is also 2. Our L1, like I said, is X, and the L2 becomes 100 minus X. L2 becomes 100 minus X. Now when you cross multiply, you have 2 into 100 minus X equals 2X. Once we solve further, we have that 200 minus 2X equals 2X. Hence 200 equals 4X. Our X here becomes 200 over 4, which is 50. So the correct answer is 50 centimeter. Although the answer is not listed in this particular question, I guess it's an error from the typist or so. So the answer E, I'll call the answer E, is 50 centimeter. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.